Hello students. So today we will be I'll be presenting a lecture on architecture behavioral model from chapter 3 Introduction to VHDL subject VLSI 22062. So we will discuss architecture behavioral model. The behavior of the entity is expressed using statements which are executed sequentially. So in this behavioral model, the statements are executed one by one, that is sequentially. A process statement is a main mechanism used to model the behavior of an entity. The process statement starts with the keyword process and ends with the keyword end process. So process is very important with respect to behavioral model. Any assignment made to the signal inside the process are not visible outside the process until all the statements in the process have been evaluated. So this is the important point to be remembered with respect to process in behavioral model. The process statement consists of three parts: sensitivity list, declarative part and statement part. Sensitivity list. A process statement is always active and executes all the time if not suspended. Following the process keyword, the sensitivity list in the parenthesis is specified. It includes all input signals that are used inside the process. When the program flow reaches the last sequential statement, the process becomes suspended until another event occurs on the signal that it is sensitive to. The declarative part, it is used to declare local variables or constants that can be used only inside the process. Signals and constants are declared in declarative part of an architecture that encloses the process statements that can be used inside the process. Initialization of objects declared in a process that is done only once at the beginning of a simulation run. The initialization in the subprogram are performed each time the subprogram is called. Statement part, it consists of the areas between the keyword begin and end process. All the statements are sequential and are executed one after the other in sequential order. The statement part of a process is always active. When the program flow reaches the last sequential statement of this part, the execution returns to the first statement in the statement part and continues. So here it is showing one example of architecture using behavioral model. So you can see here it is half adder. So architecture, it is just entity declaration is not mentioned here. So architecture only is mentioned. So architecture behave of half adder is, half adder is the name of the entity, is begin, and after begin a keyword called process is used. Inside the process, enable, comma x, comma y, these are the sensitivity list, bracket close, begin. Here if statement is used. So here you can see if enable is equal to 1, then result is assigned ax xor y and carry is assigned x and y. Else carry is assigned 0, result is assigned 0. And if, so since if statement is used, so you have to use it like this and then end the if statement. end process, end behavior. So end behavior is the end of the architecture behavioral model. One more simple example of behavioral model or sequential style model architecture of VHDL is shown here. You can see it's an XOR gate with input A and B and output Q. So the process is explained here. Now in process A and B is put, that is your sensitivity least. So whenever the inputs changes, so the outputs will also change. So you can see here begin, if A is not equal to B, then output is equal to 1, else output Q is equal to 0, and if end process. So this is of the processes used in behavioral model. One more example we will see of a behavioral model architecture. Here it's an RS flip-flop. Here you can see the logic diagram, N1 and N2 NAND gates. There are two NAND gates and one input to N1 is set and the other input is QB, that is Q bar, and the other and the input to NAND gate N2 is reset, that is R and Q, and the outputs are Q and QB. QB is Q bar. So the entity name is RS flip flop is, then the port declaration. So input ports are mentioned here. Set reset is the input bit and QB bar as input output bit, which this I have explained earlier in the data objects. Then end RS flip flop semicolon. Then is the architecture behavior of RS flip flop of RS is begin. Here the process is mentioned. So in behavioral model, process is very important. Process, and inside the process the inputs set and reset are taken as a sensitivity list, which includes all input signals will have set and reset. Begin, if set is equal to 1 and reset is equal to 0, then output is equal to 1 after 10 nanoseconds and Q bar is equal to 0 after 10 nanoseconds. Else if set is equal to 0 and reset is equal to 0, then Q is equal to 0 after 10 nanoseconds and Q bar is equal to 1 after 10 nanoseconds. Else if set is equal to 0 and reset is equal to 1, then Q is equal to 0 after 10 nanoseconds and Q bar is equal to 1 after 10 nanoseconds, and if. So this was the end of if statement, and then end process, end behavior RS flip flop 2, and this is the whole program using behavioral model of RS flip flop. So the statement part is mentioned between begin and end. So this was all about the architecture of a behavioral model. Thank you.